Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. This video is regarding the 350M scooter, the M1 scooter that's just come out. It's a training video, it's not something that's going to go wrong with the bike, but it's just so that you ever need to get to an ignition coil, you can get to them. The ignition coil is now a bit like a car ignition coil, where it's a field electronic unit that the HT lead would connect to it, and then that goes to your spark plug. And with all scooters now, the way to get to the engine bay is to take the seat off and the seat bucket out. And if the battery is located where the M1 is, then you'd have to take the battery off as well. It's knowing how to disassemble these parts of your M1 scooter, allowing you to get to your engine location. So with the seat bucket out, you'll be getting access to the top of the engine area. In this case, you'd have to take the battery out as well, and one of the side panels to get to the access to the side of the bike, well, where the coil pack is situated. It'll be on 2 bolts. Don't forget, whenever you take your battery off, it's always positive first, negative last. And like I said, the side panel has to come off, but like if you watch the video, it shows you how to do everything in a specific order. On this occasion, both the lower and then the upper side panels will have to come off. But like I say, you have to take the lower one off to get to the upper one, get to the bolts that you need to take off. And once off, you will have full access to where you need to be on the bike engine side. The mechanic is now unplugging the HT lead from the ignition coil and following the lead and down to the spark plug and taking it off the spark plug and taking the lead out. And it's switched to the other side where you can gain access to the bolts on the ignition coil. Just lifted the ignition coil out and unplugged it. Then replacing it with a new ignition coil. Bolting it back into position. Then the HT lead gets reattached from the ignition coil back down to the spark plug. And that's it, job's a good one. Please like and subscribe, join our journey. If you haven't already, please do so. It'd be great to have you on our journey. This is Mad Mick. I'll see you all again. Thank you for watching the video. Happy bye for now.